Building a miniature house with real materials starts with proper planning and clear design. First, decide the size and scale of your miniature house. Draw a simple floor plan showing rooms, doors, and windows. Choose a strong baseboard such as plywood or cement board. Mark the outline of the house on the base using a pencil and ruler. Measure carefully to ensure all sides are equal and square. Gather real materials like cement, sand, small bricks, and steel wire. Prepare small tools such as a trowel, bucket, measuring cup, and level. Clear the workspace and ensure it is flat and stable. Wear safety gloves and a mask before mixing materials. Start by preparing the foundation area on the baseboard. Mix cement and sand in a 1:3 ratio for strong mortar. Add clean water slowly while mixing to form a smooth paste. Spread a thin layer of mortar where the foundation will sit. Place small stones or broken bricks in the foundation area. Press them gently into the wet mortar. Level the surface using a small ruler or flat tool. Check alignment using a miniature spirit level. Allow the foundation to dry for 24 hours. Ensure the base is fully hardened before proceeding. Begin constructing the walls using miniature real bricks. Apply a thin layer of mortar on the foundation edge. Place the first row of bricks carefully along the marked line. Maintain equal spacing between bricks. Fill the gaps with mortar using a small trowel. Remove excess mortar for a clean finish. Check straightness using a small square tool. Continue laying bricks row by row. Overlap brick joints for strength, like real construction. Build walls up to window height first. Leave spaces for windows and doors as per the design. Use a wooden or plastic frame to shape door openings. Continue building bricks above window openings. Insert small support sticks across openings temporarily. Ensure each layer is level before adding the next. Keep checking vertical alignment of the wall.